In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use relax mode on Midjourney. If you've ever worried about burning through your fast hours or you're working on ideas that don't need to finish immediately, relax mode is your friend. It lets Midjourney generate images at a lower priority, which means it can take longer, but it won't consume your limited fast time. This is especially helpful when you're experimenting with lots of prompts, running variations in the background, or you simply don't need results right away. Here's all you need to do. Open Discord on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're in a place where you can interact with the Midjourney bot. This can be the official Midjourney server, a private server that has the bot added, or a direct message with the bot. As long as you can send a message to the Midjourney bot, you're good to go. Now in the message box, type the command /relax, then send it. That's it. No extra settings panels or complicated toggles. Once you send the command, the bot will reply with a confirmation that relax mode is now active for your account. From this point on, any images you generate will run in relax mode until you change it again. A few helpful notes so you know what to expect. Relax mode doesn't use up your fast hours and it's designed for longer queues. Depending on overall traffic, your jobs may take noticeably longer than in fast mode, so it's best suited for non-urgent work. Think of it like a gentle cruise instead of the express lane. It's perfect for bulk prompt testing, background renders while you're doing other tasks, or when you want to explore multiple creative directions without worrying about the clock. If you're on a plan that supports relax mode, the command will work instantly. If you see an error or nothing happens, make sure you're interacting with the Midjourney bot and that your subscription includes relax access. Also, be mindful of where you're typing the command. Some channels may restrict bot usage, so sending it in a direct message with the bot is a reliable option. That's all you need to start using relax mode. Open Discord, make sure you can talk to the Midjourney bot, type relax and send. From there, prompt as usual and let your ideas cook in the background while you focus on the rest of your creative process. Enjoy the extra breathing room and happy generating.